The holidays is coming up. The holidays are here. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We have a review for you guys. Like, I have so many reviews to do. My head ain't done. I just got done walking. But we got a video. Company. Y'all go check them out, y'all. This is a great company. They sent me this nail kit fast. It's a bring your salon home partner. For nails, perfect partner for the nail design, nail art design. So what we got in here is we got 3 things. Well, we got more than 3 things, but that we're gonna get into, okay? Gel remover. So it's gonna take the gel off your nails. Comes with a nail file. It also comes with some scrapers, and they're so pretty. They're the little unicorn, the little rainbow. You look like the little color. You see? It's so pretty. Look at that. And I'm so sorry that this review took forever to get out. I have so many reviews, and we have another scraper as well. Look at that. So nice. Yes, y'all go get this. If y'all do gel, if y'all get gel, I get gel on my toes, so I can't really show how it's supposed to be done. But this is for people that actually do nails, or if you get a lot of gel, this is for you as well. This is a gel remover. So this is to remove the gel. If I had gel on my nails, I would show you guys, and I just got my toes done, so I can't really show you guys right now. But when I do my toes, I will have them use this so you can see how the gel remover does. Next, we have some cuticle oil nail repair. Now we can start using this on our cuticles. We can get that popping right now, right? And also we have some peel off latex liquid tape. Like, if you, let's say if you do nail designs and you do them on your finger and you don't want to break your nail, you're gonna put this a little layer of this, maybe 2 layers. I'm not sure. I haven't read the instructions. You're gonna put a layer of this on this as well on your nail before you put the actual nail. And it's like a liquid latex. So like you can pull the nail off without it breaking, and you can use that design for like people to look at. Let's say if they want it, you can always have that design in your little batch. Yeah, we're going to get into this because sometimes I do my own acrylic. But, yeah. I would recommend this 100% because, like, they give you everything to take the gel off with. And they also give you the cuticle oil that you can put on there after you take the gel off. And you got latex. And that's if you want to do some designs and you don't want to glue the nail to your finger. So, y'all check them out. Check them out. Go get this. If you do nails, this is for you, girl. This is for you, okay? And I'll be putting the link down below so you guys can see. These are the goodies that I got. It does come with instructions. It has questions and answers. So yeah, you guys check them out. Like I said, I'll put the link down below. Y'all go check them out. The holidays are coming. The holidays is coming up. The holidays are here. If you got somebody if you got a girl or a little, a little sister or somebody, or your mom or anything that does nails, go get this. Get this. This is it. This is it.